Part 1 for adding score. Create a new game node, a new node as a child of the main node. Call it Game Manager, then add a script to it. You can right click and go Add Script. And in that script, create a variable called points equals 0. And then create a function called add points. And in there, points plus equals 1, which adds 1 to the value of points. And just to prove it to yourself while testing, print it out, and that will print out in the output window. So print points. And once you do that, go back to, let's see here, to the main, go to the cherries, in this case, the cherries script, and add this line the following way. You grab manager, drag it in, and then before you release, on the Mac it's command, on the PC it's control, release, and it creates this onReady variable called Game Manager, which connects you to the game node called Manager. So I'm going to delete that one line there. And that, excuse me, that allows you to connect down here with this added line, Game Manager dot add point, which completes the thought. And it is registered here. You can see a 1 and a 2 when I was testing. And a little later, we're going to learn how to display that on the screen. But this is actually doing the calculation. Okay, so every time a cherry is impacted by the character body 2D, sound plays, cherry graphics disappear, and we add 1 to this variable called points through the function called add points, which is inside of the game manager right here. Okay, so points is our variable that holds the score, basically the numerical data value of points, which is added every time a collision of the cherry comes into contact with the character 2D. And that's how the score goes. And let me just do a quick test movie here. Alright, so when I collect the cherry, look down here and you'll see the values. There's 1, there's another one, there's another one. So it keeps adding, right? And there we go for number 6. Okay, so this is proving the concept that it is adding. And step 2 will be to take this information and create a display window and display it on that window. And that's how we add points in Godot.